So now we will discuss about the ozone layer depletion. So what it is, where is it, why it is important to life on Earth, what is ozone layer depletion, what are the causes of ozone layer depletion, so how are we as human beings are affecting. So first of all, we have to know about the ozone. Ozone is nothing but it is a molecule consist of O2 atoms. So it is a molecule consist of O2 atoms and it is a colorless gas. And ozone can be created or destroyed by the sun's ultraviolet rays. So it is having one very good parameter that the ozone can able to create and destroy the ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun. So that is about the ozone. And coming to this, what we are talking about, where is it? So the ozone layer will be available. The ozone layer is a layer of gas containing of O3 molecules called ozone that forms when free oxygen molecules bond to oxygen molecule, then it is formed as an ozone molecule. So if you see the diagram here, O2 molecules, oxygen plus single oxygen O molecule is there. When these two molecules, when this oxygen molecule bonded with the single O, so this it will form in the form of ozone molecule. So this ozone, where is it, it will be where the ozone layer will be formed. So ozone layer will be in the stratosphere, protect lives on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. So it will protect the human life which are living on the earth. It will protect the animals. It will protect the biotic and non-biotic community which is from harmful ultraviolet radiation which is coming from the sun. And if you see the small diagram, in this case we are having troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. So in this case up to 10 kilometers the troposphere layer will be there. Apart from that we are having a stratosphere, apart from that we are having mesosphere, apart from that thermosphere, apart from that ionosphere we are having. So in the troposphere where we are living now, both the biotic and abiotic rocks, dash all the things, about that up to 10 kilometers. Apart from that we are having a stratosphere, and the same the ozone layer will be formed in that particular area. So this ozone layer can able to control or can able to stop the penetration of ultraviolet rays which are coming directly coming from the sun and onto the earth. So it will reflect when the sun releases the ultraviolet radius onto the earth. So this ozone layer will be takes some rays and it will send back the rays. Only a few rays will be sent to the earth. So by this the ozone layer can able to control the radiation from the radiation on the earth. So next, why it is very important to life on earth, that is the third category what we are having. So the stratospheric ozone layer completely stop that penetration of ultraviolet rays to ultraviolet rays which is coming directly from the solar radiation on a daily basis. So this ozone layer is very important to life on earth. It is going to stop the ultraviolet radiation which are coming from the sun. So it is by this layer we are going to be protected. So that is very important for us. So what is ozone layer depletion? Ozone layer depletion is the reduction of the amount of ozone in the stratosphere caused by substance formed from breakdown of ozone depleting substance. So what is ozone layer depletion? So ozone layer depletion is nothing but ozone layer depletion is the reduction of the amount of ozone in the stratosphere caused by substance formed when breakdown of ozone depleting substance. So slowly the ozone layer is going to be demolishing in the stratosphere because of some elements, which are some of the elements which are breaking this ozone layer. So that is we will discuss now. So ozone hole, normally this can be seen in the Antarctica region, especially in the Antarctica region. There that particular area the ozone layer has become cut a hole, and directly the ultraviolet radiation is falling onto the Antarctica region, and these icebergs are slowly melting down and it is raising the river water. It is the raising of the river water if we come across with this. So mainly, what are the substance? So next, what are the causes of ozone layer depletion? Ozone layer depleting substance is nothing but chlorofluorocarbons, which are mainly using, and chlorofluorocarbons is nothing but we people are using air conditioners, we people are using refrigerators, and we people are using more. So by this, the air conditioners or the refrigerators are releasing the chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere, and this into the atmosphere, and these chlorofluorocarbons mixed up with the water which is already available in the earth and form in the hydrochlorocarbons, and this in these hydrocarbons are released, and only the chlorine part is mixed up with the ozone layer, and it is the chlorine is continuously demolishing the ozone. So because of this ozone is very thin in above the Antarctica region. So that is the main concept of this ozone depleting substance, chlorofluorocarbons. And so by aerosol products, also by aerosol products that do not use HCFCs and CFCs as propellants. So when motor vehicle air condition needs servicing, make sure that the refrigerants are properly recovered and recycled instead of being vented to the atmosphere. So motor vehicle air conditions where we are using, when they are using when they are going for servicing, they have to see that the refrigerants are properly recovered and recycled instead of being vented to the atmosphere. So there are some things we have to be carefully hand over these things. So this is about the ozone layer.